In this video, we're going to learn how to make a new post for this button here, News. And we're here at the Fit4U Swim website, and we're going to add, in order to log in, again, WP for WordPress, then dash ADMIN for administration, and hit return. And that's going to bring up our login screen. And I have mine set to already fill out for me, so I don't have to go back and look up that password every time. And over here on the left, you see Posts, and you get a pop-up menu, and I'm going to choose Add New. Now you could copy and paste from your Facebook or add something new, so I'm just going to call this a test news post. And I want to start by putting in a photo. And I did that a little quick. Let me do it again for you. I put my cursor here. I make sure that I'm in visual mode, not in HTML mode. I put my cursor at the beginning, and I go up here, upload, insert. There's a little camera icon, and it says add media. And I'm going to choose a file. And I picked up a picture from your Facebook page. And I'm just going to select it from the directory dialog and then push the upload button. And I can change the title if I want. So we'll just make this ad, because it's an ad. I can put in a caption over here if I want. And I want to make sure that this here in the link is set to file URL. We're going to go with left, and I'm going to go put this on medium for the size, and then hit the button insert into post. And there's our picture. Now I'm going to add some text, and I have some just plain old designer text. It's written in Greek. Maybe it's Latin. And I'm going to copy it. And instead of pasting right here where the cursor is blinking, just to make sure we don't get any strange artifacts, we have two buttons here. One is paste as plain text, the other is paste from Word. Well, this isn't coming out of Word, so I'm just going to use the paste as plain text, and it gives me a little box. And then I'm just going to paste it in there, and then click the insert button. And that way, we don't get any strange code attached. Now you see it's not so nice the way it's laid out here, but that'll lay out much nicer when you see it on the page. So don't worry about graphically what it looks like in the administration side. The other important thing that we really need to do is click the news button. That'll make it show up there. And when I click publish, it's all set on your website. So if I go back now, I'm going to click over here, Fit4U, visit site. Here we are back on the front page. And when I go to news, it's going to give me, eventually, every time I add one, it's going to give me a new post like this at the top of the page. And this one will get pushed down one step. And if I want to see what else is written there, I can click here. And it gives me the full article. And it looks pretty good. One of the reasons it looks good is because I'm going to go back and edit it. I could change this now. And let's say I wanted this to link somewhere. Here's a word, and I want that word to be a link. Maybe it's going to link to the store or whatever. So I highlight that word, and right over here there's a little thing that looks like a chain, and if you roll over it, it says Insert Edit Link. I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to grab the Google URL. I like to copy and paste URLs so that I can't get it wrong. I'm going to put it right in here. And anytime we go outside of our website, we want the link to open a new window. If we're linking to another page in our website, then it would not be in a new window. Click Add Link. That's all set. That word is underlined now. That's a hot link. I can obviously make edits if I want to change this strange word to something else. There it is. When I'm done with that, I click Update. The other point that I wanted to mention is one of the reasons this looks good is I didn't mess with bold, italic, or these lists or block quotes, or I didn't change the alignment. I left everything at the default. And if you do that, that's going to really allow you to keep the site unified and professional looking. So let's go back and try this again. I want to close up that Google window. We'll go to the Fit4U Swim website. This goes to the front page. News. There's our article. Click on it. Takes you to the page of the article. There's our link. I click on it, and there's the Google link in a new window. New tab, actually, in that case. And it's just that simple.